The wind's probably gonna be messing me up. It is very windy where I'm at right now. But today's video, let me try to block this wind. Today's video, man, we're gonna give it a second shot on fishing. Some things have changed. Hopefully they are for the better. One of the things is we're gonna wear his little butt out. Before we head up to the fishing hole, we're gonna take him here to his favorite dog park and let him run and run and run and run again. He didn't do a whole bunch of running in there. He's already tired. Oh, it's high from that wind. Oh, watch it be worse in here. I'm gonna show you guys something. You see, we are packed down with fishing gear. Right there's my camera bag. I got another camera on board, a couple more, I got my gimbal on board, loaded with batteries. Now you see these little, I call them old poop handles. I want to get a bungee cord going from one side to the next to put the fishing poles up. And I haven't been able to get in them bungee cords yet. And I'm afraid Kit's going to want to chew on the fishing poles. But that is the only thing. We do have bones that we're going to give him up there. We have a blanket right yonder there. Hopefully we're going to be a little bit more prepared than we was last time we went up there. Okay, hop on in, Kit. Okay, good boy. All right, guys, it's going to be quite a few hours for you. We're going to take our time getting up there. So we're hoping to start fishing about 4 and fish to about, I don't know when. And if everything works out well on this video, it might be another video. More than likely, it might be another video. I'm going to go out to my nephew and my niece's camp. Yeah, I see you when we get to Versailles, y'all. Okay, we have made it. And real quick, I did stop by Lowe's and pick up some bungees, but I miscalculated. It ain't gonna work after all. So either we're gonna take them back tomorrow or just keep them. You never know, you might need bungees. I think, yeah, it's loaded with geese poop all through here. Yeah, we're having to park, or not park, we're having to fish down further on the lake, one of our other spots we usually go. And I guarantee it's gonna be loaded with geese poop. I didn't bring my poop scooper with me. So yeah, let me get set up. And this may be a long video because we may leave here. If it isn't, well, my nephew and my niece ain't at the campsite yet. They'll be there this evening, so we may leave here and go there. Then again, I don't know. I don't know, guys. It's a beautiful day, though. One of the comments I had was somehow provide shade for Kit. I don't know how to do that yet. Another comment I had was bring my crate with me, but that thing's huge, guys. Not sure. Looks like a homemade fishing pole holder right here. Well, we did get him some chew toys. Hopefully it'll last a while. We paid a pretty good penny for this, but we had asked them, it's just me, Bubby. We had asked them, now, see, he's let me touch that. My other dog would not let me do that. We had asked them if it was safe for them. And they said, yes, safe and long lasting. So I had to keep them happy for a little bit.
Actually, this is the long lasting one.
Oh, that's the long lasting one?
Just a bonus.
Well, here's what Angie has. I gotta keep an eye on my line. She has a blanket down. That's one of the things we needed to bring. And here's our setup. We bring way too much stuff fishing, but we kind of need way too much stuff for fishing if we want to be comfortable. Hey, I'm sorry, but no, I'm not apologizing. When I fish, I like to make a day out of it. I like to be comfy. I like my wife to be comfy too. So the second time fishing with the puppy, we see how it goes, and if everything goes, I hear you out there. You barking geese. If everything goes well, we will pay my nephew and my niece a visit at the campsite. Possibly today or tomorrow. We haven't been here 15 minutes and this little boy comes out of nowhere. We have people about 200 yards down that way, maybe 150 yards. And that's where he came from. But he came out of nowhere to go say hi to Kit. Well, I'm happy to say Kit will not hurt no children. He was scared of the child though. But he didn't do no growling or any biting. And yeah, the mom did finally come up and get the little boy. But he came out of nowhere. Just a little thing. Alone at last. Let me explain. Right over there where the trees are, that's one of our spots one of our favorite spots we like to fish. We have peoples over there with little kids. And not too far down that way. And way down yonder there, that's where we was at last. So now we're by ourselves. I kind of like it that way. I have 2 good bites. Yeah. So we'll give it out a little bit longer. I probably won't do any more vlog entries unless I catch a fish or whatever we figure out we're doing this evening. Do not know yet. I'm getting bites like crazy. We may or may not be making it to my nephew's campsite. Maybe tomorrow, because I'm going for the extended time out here. But let me give you an update. I gotta keep an eye on my pole, so I'm getting bites. Now we bought him 2 things to chew on since we've been here, and they're working like a charm. We done chewed up the rawhide, right?
Not rawhide.
Oh, not rawhide. Rawhide's bad for your puppies.
It was a jerky.
Beef jerky, and this is what he's chewing on now.
Here. Want some food?
His bone right here. Now we used to get these for Stormy all the time, and they last for a long time. The things last in a good piece. And I'm happy to report Mr. Kit, I'm watching my line, is doing much better today. I got a makeshift leash or rope here to keep him down because I didn't get the duct tape. Yeah, I didn't get the duct tape. I figured, I'm not so sure if I want to do that or not. And this is working perfectly. If we ever go to a place when he gets better fishing with us, we give him more of a long run. But here, well, right now there's nobody here except over on the other side of the lake fishing. But sometimes Versailles State Lake can be filled up, y'all. It really can. It's a beautiful evening. I'm getting bites, and yeah. And the reason we may not be able to make it to my nephew's campsite, because it takes 35 minutes from here to get there and 30 some minutes from there to get home. And we still got, we got dishes to do when we get home. Angie and I are going to double team it. Yeah, we didn't do dishes today. We've been lazy. All right, guys, I'm going to fish some more. Hopefully I can catch that fish before I leave here this evening. Okay. Wish me luck. No trace left behind. Means you'll never know we was here. All right, didn't catch anything, guys, but it's okay. It's not about catching them. It's about spending the evening relaxing, enjoying. So we don't know exactly what we're doing from here, but we're gonna go ahead and close the video on out. I swear, I think this wagon got heavier than last year. Oh yeah. I had to pull this wagon. You see my fishing poles, but we do have some extra stuff than we did last year. Kids picking up every stick, trying to take it back to the car with them. I don't know what we're doing tomorrow. I haven't planned it out. We'll probably go to spare the moment. That's what we do best. But guys, second time fishing with my puppy went off without a hitch. The key to that was to give him something to chew on to keep his interest, and we did. We do need to work on getting him some shade. Any ideas on that, guys? Leave it down in the comments. I haven't got the foggiest clue of an idea. As you can see, very few trees. And them trees right there will provide shade in the summer, but when them trees get fully bloomed, you can't fish underneath them. Be a little difficult. And down yonder here, I don't know, down there, way down yonder there, it could be a little bit of a shade area, but yeah, people fish there all the time. Or if we go across there, which we've only done that a couple times, that's a little difficult to get down to the bank from over there. So that is something I need to work on with the next couple weeks and figure it out. Some type of shade for my puppy, because the summer is going to get hot. Oh God, is it ever. We'll probably be doing evening fishing. Well, late afternoon into the evening fishing. We more than likely, unless something definitely changes, we will be fishing the mornings. But Angie and I was talking, we'd be better off with the evenings. Just saying. All right, guys, until next time, Thanks for watching. Leave your comments down below, and we'll catch you in the next video. Come on, let's get out of here.